Somali transportation businesses boost Minnesota's economy. Today on East African Mindset, we highlight another major success story within the Somali Minnesotan community: the rise of Somali-owned transportation and logistics companies. These businesses generate revenue, create jobs, and contribute millions in taxes to the state and federal government. Across Minnesota, Somali entrepreneurs operate trucking fleets, bus companies, dispatch services, and logistics networks that keep goods and people moving nationwide. One of the most successful is Bille Bus Transportation, a Somali-owned private company with an estimated $14.8 million in annual revenue. Based on recent data from 2024 and earlier, their work shows how far the community has come in building sustainable, high-impact businesses. Somalis also have a major presence in the trucking industry, especially as owners of Freightliner semi-trucks operating across the country. For many families, trucking has become a path to financial stability and long-term growth. Today we met Omar, a father of two, the owner of Filtu Logistics Incorporated, who has been in the trucking business for over 10 years. Omar operates 4 Freightliner trucks, delivering goods nationwide. His company creates employment and contributes heavily to public revenue. Omar reports that his business pays over $100,000 in taxes every year, supporting both state and federal systems. These realities directly contradict recent comments from President Donald Trump, who claimed Somali Minnesotans don't work and don't contribute. But the facts prove otherwise. Somali-owned transportation, retail, home health care, and logistics companies now play a major role in Minnesota's economy. Multiple studies show that Somali Minnesotans generate hundreds of millions in income, pay tens of millions in taxes, and support thousands of jobs. Economists estimate the community's total economic impact in Minnesota at over $8 billion. Somali business ownership continues to rise, and transportation is one of the strongest sectors. A Minnesota Chamber Foundation report highlights major progress: lower poverty rates, rising workforce participation, and increasing home ownership among Somali families. Somali entrepreneurs, especially women, are opening new companies and strengthening civic life. More importantly, the Minnesota Chamber Foundation reports that Somali Minnesotans have seen major progress over the past decade. Heavy checkmark workforce participation rising. Heavy checkmark home ownership increasing faster than the statewide average. From Bille Bus Transportation to Filtu Logistics, Somali Minnesotans are proving through daily hard work that they are essential contributors to Minnesota and the United States. Their companies move products, support workers, build families, and help drive the state's economic future. This is East African Mindset, sharing the truth, celebrating success, and uplifting the voices of our community. Like, share, and subscribe.